Hello, and thank you for joining me. Today we're going to do a little unpackaging and looking at these Devil RC gears for the SCX10ii. I am building a set of SCX10ii axles for Ugly Duckling. The problem is, when I started looking for gear sets for them, it was actually kind of hard to find. There wasn't that many different kinds out there, and I decided I wanted something other than stock. I found these in stock at Locked Up RC, so I decided to pick them up. Let's unpackage them and see what they look like. They come out of the package with the locker already installed. Looks like stainless steel screws on it. Real pretty coating on it. Hopefully it's a nice durable coating. Overall, good looking gear and locker set. The only complaint I have is the bolts themselves. I'd like to see them go all the way through the locker. See if I can tilt it here, we can see it. It looks like they only go about halfway through. I like to see them just go farther just for a little bit of extra strength. But I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the axles I'm building and see how they hold up. Next up is the pinion gear. It's a good looking set as well. The teeth are really nicely defined and well cut. The edges are nice and sharp and clean and crisp. And it has the same durable coating on it as the ring gear. It's a really nicely machined piece, very, very pretty to look at. Also included in the bag is one shim. This shim right here is for the pinion gear itself. So you can make sure that it is in the case at the right depth. Let me show you something of why you need this shim real quick. This right here is the gear set that was in the set of used axles that I am rebuilding. The person before did not have these shimmed right, and you can see where the pinion gear chewed into the locker. It was so far forward, and how the teeth wore severely unevenly and basically chunked them out because the pinion gear was set too deep into the casing. So even though this comes with one shim, you may need to go to your local hardware store and pick up extra shims. Just make sure your pinion sets evenly on the teeth themselves and is not riding too far up or too far back. If you come back too far, it'll ride on your case too far and chew it up. Too far forward, chews up your locker and creates binding, as well as the terrible, terrible teeth wear. Anyway, back to these ones right here. They're a very nice looking set of gears. Like I said, I got them from Locked Up RC, and they're made by Devil RC. If you're looking for a nice looking set of ring and pinion gears for your SCX10ii axles, I recommend these. I have two sets of these. The next video you see, I will be building the 10.2 axles. So then we will get to see how well these go into the axles themselves. So I ask you to go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss that video or any of our other future updates and videos. And please also hit that like button and feel free to follow us on Instagram. We post a lot of stuff on Instagram that doesn't appear on our YouTube channel. Well, I thank you for watching, and until next time, happy RCing.